Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can send money with Zelle in the Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and log into your account. From the home screen, there are usually two ways to access Zelle. If you've used Zelle before, you'll likely see a Send Money with Zelle shortcut in the top menu. If not, simply tap on the Pay and Transfer option in the bottom navigation bar. On the next screen, tap on Send Money with Zelle at the top center. This will open your Zelle dashboard, where you'll see a list of your contacts or people you've previously interacted with. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the person you want to send money to. Once you select the contact, you may see a confirmation prompt, especially if it's your first time sending money to them, or if they haven't enrolled with Zelle yet. Always make sure you're sending money to someone you trust. Review the warning, check the box that says, "I've read and understand," and then tap Set up Payment. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a short memo to explain what the payment is for. If you have multiple accounts, use the drop-down menu to choose which one you'd like the funds to come from. After that, set the payment date. If you want to send the money immediately, leave it set to today. You can also schedule it for a future date using the calendar. If this is a recurring payment, toggle on the repeat payment option and set up the frequency. Once all the details are filled in, tap Review and Send. Carefully double-check the payment summary and recipient information. When you're confident everything looks good, tap Send It Now. Your payment will be sent instantly, and the recipient will receive a notification letting them know the money has arrived.